The rhinoceros is one of the herbivorous mammals, and it is the second largest mammal after the elephant on the surface of the earth, and one of the most important features that distinguishes it is the presence of a horn in the middle of its face, and there are at least 5 main types in nature. Each type has characteristics that distinguish it from the other type, and it lives in different regions of the world. Welcome. If you liked the video, do not forget to click like and subscribe to the channel to get acquainted and enjoy every video with new facts and information. Rhinoceros, or rhinoceros is a species of huge animals, whose representatives live in the continents of Africa and Asia. The rhinoceros is classified as a family of mammals, and the division of chordates, from the kingdom of animals. This animal is threatened with extinction because it is subject to extermination because of its horn, as it is said that it has medical benefits, which helped to increase its hunting and extermination, and there are currently strict laws to prevent its hunting, and special reserves have been established for it, and to extract its habitat for the establishment of farms on it, and there are some African beliefs in which belief is considered a disaster for this animal. Rhinos are divided into 5 types. White rhinoceros, he lives in Africa. The white rhinoceros is also known as the square-lipped rhinoceros, and its scientific name is Ceratotherium cymum, and it is one of the large animals that live in the wild, and it has 2 types. The first is the southern white rhino, and the second is the northern rhino. It is characterized by having a wide upper lip, which helps it to eat grass and herbs, and its average age ranges between 35 to 40 years. Black rhino, the black rhinoceros, and its scientific name, Dicerus bicornis, is the smallest of the 2 rhinoceros species found in Africa. It differs from the white rhinoceros in that it has a hooked upper lip, and it is an animal that feeds on the leaves of trees and shrubs. The black rhinoceros is characterized by having 2 horns, not 1, and sometimes having a small third posterior horn. The Indian rhinoceros is native to Asia. The Indian rhinoceros, whose scientific name is Rhinoceros unicornis, lives in northern India and Nepal. It has 1 horn and the nature of its skin is different. As it looks divided like a shield, it also has strong senses of smell and hearing, and it feeds on herbs, weeds, leaves, fruits, and some agricultural crops. Javanese rhinoceros. The Javanese rhinoceros is also known as the smaller rhinoceros, and its scientific name is Rhinoceros sondaicus, and it is one of 3 species found in the continent of Asia, and it is found directly on the island of Java in Indonesia. The Javanese rhinoceros is distinguished by its small size compared to other species. With an average age of 35, he is 40 years old, has 1 small horn, and has a long, pointed upper lip that helps him eat. Sumatran rhinoceros. The Sumatran rhinoceros, whose scientific name is Dicerorhinus sumatrensis, is a family of herbivorous mammals. It is distinguished by its dark red-brown skin color, small size, and its body covered with short hair. The Sumatran rhinoceros is found throughout Southeast Asia, in the mountain forests of Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Myanmar, and the Himalayas. It is also found mainly on the island of Sumatra. Rhino traits. The rhinoceros is a huge animal, and it is one of the largest animals on the surface of the earth, with a height of 1.5 meters at the shoulders, a length of 3 to 3.65 meters in length, and a weight of 455 to 1,365 kilograms. The female is smaller than the male. There is a large horn in the middle of its face, and sometimes there are 2 horns. Its body is covered with thick skin of gray, black, or brown color. The rhinoceros is characterized by myopia, attacks quickly, and is considered a very aggressive animal. It has an excellent sense of smell that enables it to detect the locations of enemies. Despite his heavy weight, he can run at a good speed. Its thick skin is often a refuge for insects and pests, and that is why birds such as monkey species are often seen feeding on these insects. The rhinoceros is one of the animals that live in isolation, as it is not a social animal. It is a very aggressive animal. Little unicorn, an average weight of 38 kilograms, is born after a gestation period of 15 to 16 months, and it can start tracking its mother after only 3 days, and the young are a target for hyenas and lions. Females often give birth to young every 2 to 3 years, and the rhinoceros lives from 25 to 40 years, but it may live 50 years in captivity. The importance of rhinoceros to humans provides a good financial income for the population. This is because it is considered as a way to attract tourists. Rhinoceros horns are used in some treatments as a cure for headaches and cancer. Rhinos benefit the environment in many ways, including, rhinos help to bring balance to the ecosystem in which they are found. It helps to continuously renew the life of plants, as it consumes large quantities of it, on an ongoing basis. Protect rhinos from extinction. The 5 species of rhinoceros are threatened with extinction. This is due to overfishing by humans, and therefore it is necessary to find certain ways to maintain the presence of this animal on a continuous basis, in order to maintain the environmental balance, and among the most important ways to protect rhinos from extinction are the following: not buying rhino products. Prevent poaching. Preventing assault or tampering with the natural habitat of rhinos. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do not forget to click like and subscribe to the channel to get acquainted and enjoy every video with new facts and information first. Wish you all the best.